Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to export video in DaVinci Resolve 18 Render Video Easy DaVinci Resolve tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open DaVinci Resolve onto your device, and once you're already onto a project and you have your files ready, it's time to go ahead and export this. So as you can see in here, I have here on a timeline a clip already, and once you're already done with editing and you want to export that, just click onto this rocket icon here onto the bottom part of DaVinci Resolve. So once you've clicked onto that, you'll notice that here onto the left side, there should be a settings that will open, which is the render settings. So this is where you could go ahead and customize your export. So you could go ahead and add in a file name for that. For example, we're going to name this forest. Right after, you could choose also the location wherein you want to save that specific file. So we're going to go ahead and choose anywhere in here, like my videos, click on save. Right after, you could choose to go ahead and export a video, export audio, and file. So we're going to choose video in here. But before we proceed on to changing the export video in here settings, make sure as well that here on render onto the upper part or onto the middle part of your DaVinci Resolve, you have chosen entire timeline. So you could actually choose also just a range of your timeline. Just click on this in or out range and then click onto the part where you want to go ahead and export. But onto this tutorial, we're going to go ahead and export the entire timeline. So once you have chosen that, let's proceed in here. You choose a format. So we have different format in here. And since this is a video, we could choose MP4 or QuickTime. So we're going to choose MP4 for that. And you could choose a codec, encoder, and also of course the resolution. So choose any resolution that you prefer for your video. You could also choose custom for that and adjust its frame rate. So right after, once you have completed already the settings and you think everything is already good to go, just click on to add to render queue. So you'll notice that a job will appear here onto the right side. So this one hasn't started yet. You need to click on render all. But if you have other video that you want to go ahead and render together this one, so you'll just have to do the same thing and add that to render queue. So once you're done and you have all of your videos or clips in here, you'll just have to click on render all to start its download. Now this is what it looks like once it is completed. So you could actually right click onto that and reveal in media storage or open file location so that you should be able to see the video that has been rendered or exported already onto your device. And that is how easy you could export video in DaVinci Resolve, easy DaVinci Resolve tutorial. If you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.